Ah, not in there.
All right, we're at Silver Creek here at the end of September. I'm Donna, I'm riding with Busta today.
And I'm Busta. Well, what, we've gone probably about 200 meters and we got the first stop. The air is a little bit chillier than we anticipated, so it's time to put on my windbreaker. Yeah, of course we're sharing the backcountry with other users. The way I approach it is anytime you're on a road that's wide enough or big enough for a vehicle to be on it, expect there to be a vehicle on it. Yeah, we missed our turn. We're we're going the wrong way. Yeah, you did very well, because that's tricky stuff.
It is, yeah.
But isn't that an awesome bike?
It is good, yeah. It has more power than my other one.
Yes.
It's been good, and it hasn't been sputtering.
And do you see the KDX? We did it! We're here!
Very good.
Yes. Yeah, so tomorrow they're going to do a big celebration up here. So we beat the rush. We beat the crowd. So we made it. The KDX200 Memorial. Roger Rails. I didn't know him. Obviously a longtime club member of the Vernon Dirt Bike Club. And what a nice memento to him to put his bike up here, cast it in concrete. I know there's been some vandalism of it over the years, but most of it is just plain weathering. It's just you know, succumbing to the to Mother Nature. But what a neat spot, and we did it. And how was that climb up here?
It was good.
Not
it was
bad.
Fine, yeah.
Yeah. Good stuff. Okay, we're gonna follow Donna in the dust here for a bit, just to get some riding footage. On our way to the cliffs. We'll try not to go over the edge of the cliffs today, or any other day for that matter. What a beautiful spot. Yeah, Donna hasn't done much riding this year, so always good to see her get out. And both of us were sick for the adventure bike gathering, so we didn't make it to that, or at least not to day 2 and 3. With Donna's work, she would have only been able to make it on day 3, but she was sick as well, and just very, very nice to get this warm day at the end of September. Yeah, beautiful. Looking up the, I think this is the Salmon River Valley up towards Falkland. But yeah, beautiful area. Good. Yeah, we're having a really good ride today. Came across a couple of people on their quads, but otherwise we pretty well had the place to ourselves. The odd pickup truck on some of the main roads, but it's been really good. This is sure a nice section through here, nice and damp, so there's hardly any dust. Kind of got the rain ruts got to watch out for, and of course the G-outs. They always got to have the G-outs. Yeah, that was tricky.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, really neat section in here through these boulders. Yeah, and all the rock climbing apparatus that we saw up there. So yeah, people actually do the rock climbing here. I don't think I could do it. Well, that was a heck of a run. What do you figure?
That was good. I like the lookouts.
Yes, yeah, the lookout at the rock climbing trail, that was really neat. So, until next time, that is a wrap.